Hi, good evening. Ako ulit. And na-realize ko na mas okay na yung ganito. Na mag-stick ako sa ganito lang, like sa audio. Kaysa pilitin ko na mag-video habang nagsasalita. Kasi to be honest, napakahirap talaga. Ang dami kong ginawa dun sa video na yun para maayos lang yung audio pero wala pa rin, palpak pa rin. Still, hindi pa rin siya super audible. But yeah, I think mas okay na lang yung ganito. So yun, as I was saying dun sa video, I was just talking about the art of moving forward. How awesome it is for me. Kasi, ewan ko, parang siguro kasi na-witness ko kung gaano ka fascinating yung move forward. Like, for example, way back 2022, the time na parang I decided to pierce my comfort zone. Pierce? Gago. Parang yun yung time na parang nag-decide ako na, what if lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko and i-pursue ko kung ano yung gusto ko talagang gawin. Which is by that time, yung gusto kong gawin is to dance. And ayun, I decided na mag-audition sa Taksate, which is yung school org na, ano tawag dyan? School org na I belong until now sa Sorsu. Tapos parang naalala ko nung time na yun. Kung hindi dahil kay Kuya Wilson, I think. Kasi siya yung pinagtanungan ko ng time na yun about sa audition and nagtanong lang ako kung pwede ba akong mag-audition kahit na hindi pa ako enrolled sa source ng time na yun kasi first sem yun nung nag-conduct sila ng audition and by that time, nag-stop ako. Kasi, basta nag-stop ako by that time kasi secret. No clue. Pero, um, minake sure naman ni Kuya Wilson nung time na yon na, I mean, hindi lang pala si Kuya Wilson, pati yung mga officers ng time na yon which is yung mga seniors namin, minake sure naman nila na by second sem, sa source ako mag-school. Pero yun, parang after ng audition na yun, siguro kung hindi pumayag si Kuya Wilson na pag-auditionin ako sa Taksate, wala ako ngayon sa kung sino ako ngayon. Kumbaga, hindi ako si Kiro or si Ivan na kilala nyo ngayon. For sure, sa mga nakakilala sa akin ngayon, hindi nyo ako makikilala if ever. 'Di ba? Parang may ano din yun, butterfly effect din. Like, what if hindi ako nakapasa or, nakapasa sa TAC or something like that. After that, I decided to just move forward. Move forward lang ng move forward. Although, alam mo yun, may mga struggles and problems ng time na yun. I mean, until now, pero, di ba, just by moving forward, I'm still here, living, and at the same time, experiencing life itself. And speaking of moving forward, siguro, best example din for me is yung pag-stop ko ng school last 2022, I think, second sem ng first year ko. I decided to stop because of personal reasons. But then, di ba, after ko mag-stop, I still continued to, live. Kahit na nag-stop ako ng, pag-school. I didn't really stop. I mean, I stopped, literally. Pero, parang ano lang yun sa akin, pahinga. Or, pause ba? Ganun. Kasi, parang 2023, I mean, January 2023, doon ako nag-enroll. And then, ayun, parang that was my new chapter and new season of my life. Kasi after nung nag-stop ako, parang nag-stop rin yung mundo ko. Pero hindi naman yung super nag-stop kasi life still goes on. Life still went on after ko mag-stop ng school. Pero 'di ba? Nung nag-enroll ako January 2023, parang nakakatuwa kasi basta nakakatuwa kasi I still decided to move forward. I think wala naman tayong lahat choice I mean, may choice tayo pero bibigyan at bibigyan tayo ng buhay ng reason to always move forward. May it be a reason to yourself, to your family, or I don't know, basta bibigyan at bibigyan ka ng rason ng buhay para magpatuloy sa buhay. Panis. Pero yun nga, di ba? Parang hindi ko rin magagawa na mag-move forward kung wala ang mga taong malalapit sa akin. Especially my friends and family, like my closest friends and my family. Damn, I mean, hindi ko ma-imagine if ever nawala sila nung time na I was at my lowest. I think sila yung I mean, isa sila sa mga reason kung bakit ako nag-move forward. Kasi naniwala sila sa akin eh. And alam mo yun, nasa likod ko sila para tulakin ako, para itulak ako pabalik sa pace ko or pabalik sa path ko. And parang I think that's really important, especially ngayon. It is really important, especially ngayon sa edad ko, which is, by the way, I'm 20 years old. 20 years old. I think it's very important for us to build a foundation of people na pwede nating balikan after natin lumabas sa comfort zone natin. Kasi, parang recently, ganun kasi yung nangyari. Parang, yun, lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko, ganyan. And then eventually, na-burnout ako. But then, hindi ako super na-burnout. Kumbaga kasi kapag pag sinasabi mo kasing na-burnout ka, as in back to zero ka, yung nangyari sa akin, na-burnout ako, yeah, pero hindi ako super back to zero. May ginawa akong example, illustration, I don't know, parang hand gesture. Basta imagine niyo na lang, like, hindi ako totally nag-back to zero. Hindi ako lumagapak ng sobra after ko maka-feel ng burnout. Kasi, bakit? Bakit hindi ako lumagapak ng sobra? Kasi, andyan sila kasi they are my foundation. Isa sila sa mga tumulong sa akin para makabalik ulit sa path ko ulit, di ba? Especially now. That's why I'm very grateful to my friends and to my family. Kilala niyo na yun. Kilala niyo na mga sarili niyo, guys. I'm really grateful to y'all, guys. As in, kasi iba't iba kayo ng way of giving your support to me. But, pag pinagsama-sama, it's like a pillar. It's like a foundation that I can hold on to or na kaya kong sandalan kapag nanghihina ako. Oh, panis. Corny gagi. Pero yun, yeah, parang the whole point of this audio is to just share kung ano yung thoughts ko about the art of moving forward and how beautiful it is. Kasi, alam mo yun, alam niyo yung indomitable human spirit pa, if I'm not mistaken. I think sometimes yun yung nagpupush sa atin na mag-move forward. Despite of struggles, despite of problems na akala natin hindi natin kayang lampasan. But then, as time goes by, diba, ma-realize mo na lang na, shit, kinaya ko yun. Alam mo yun? I mean, for sure, diba? For sure, lahat tayo may ganun, may moments na ganun. Na magugulat ka na lang na ang layo mo na pala sa kung saan ka dati or nung nakaraan. Pero di ba nga, malayo na, pero malayo pa. That's why, that's why, we should always move forward. It's okay. It's okay to take pauses. It's okay to take breaks. Move forward lang na move forward, guys. Like, kasi magugulat ka na lang. Andun ka na. Di ba? Nasa ano ka na? Nasa destination ka na. Kung saan mo gusto. Let me end this audio with this. with this. As we move forward, we should also remember to enjoy the journey while we move towards our dreams. Panis. Ewan ko, may sense yun. Pero, yeah, I think yun lang yun for this audio. Yeah, I think ganito na lang gagawin ko every time. Kaysa mag-vid pa ako tapos magsalita. Tapos wala namang maririnig, di ba? Okay na to. I think yun lang. Good night. And have a great day and night and have a jolly... Have... blah, blah. Anyways, bye.